Hello student, in this video I will solve miscellaneous exercise on chapter number 18 of binomial theorem. So this is the first question of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 18 binomial theorem. Point A, B and N in the expansion of A plus B over power n into the first three terms of the expansion are 729, 7290 and 30,375 respectively. Okay. So as we know, the r plus 1 term in the expansion of a plus b power n. This is given by t r plus 1 equal to n c r a पे पावर n minus r and b पे पावर r. Okay, so this is the r plus 1 term in of the expansion of a plus b power n. But in question given the first three terms of the expansion are 729, 7,290 and 30,375. So first I will find first, second and third term. So the first term is T1 written as 0 plus 1. First term T1 in the expansion of a plus b power n, which is equal to n c 0 a पे पावर 0 and b पे पावर n minus 0 and b पे पावर 0. Okay, so the first term is given. This is 729. So therefore n c 0 a पे पावर n b पे पावर 0 means 1, which is equal to 729. Now simplify n c 0. So this is factorial n upon factorial 0 and n minus 0 factorial a पे पावर n equal to 729. This implies factorial n upon, this is the value of 0 factorial, which is equal to 1, and n minus 0 factorial n factorial a पे पावर n equal to 729. This implies a पे पावर n equal to 729. Say this is equation number 1. And similarly find its second term is T2 written as 1 plus 1, which is equal to n C1 a पे पावर n minus 1 and b पे पावर 1. T2 is given. This is 7290. So therefore n C1 a पे पावर n minus 1 b1 equal to 7290. Okay, now simplify this. So this is n factorial upon 1 factorial and n minus 1 factorial a पे पावर n minus 1 and b equal to 7290. Okay, so this is n and n minus 1 factorial upon n minus 1 factorial equal to into a पे power n minus 1 b equal to 7 to 9 and n a पे power n minus 1 b equal to 7 to 9. Say this is equation number 2. n a पे power n minus 1 b equal to 7 to 9. Okay, and similarly find third term is t3. So t3 can be written as t2 plus 1 equal to t2 plus 1 equal to n c2 a पे power n minus 2 and b पे power 2. So this is n factorial upon 2 factorial and n minus 2 factorial. n minus 2 factorial a पे power n minus 2 and b पे power 2 which is equal to given third term 30375. So this is n minus 1 upon n minus 2 factorial divided by 2 into 1 and n minus 2 factorial a पे power n minus 2 and b पे power 2 equal to 30375. So n minus 2 and minus 2 factorial cancel out and n minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 and a पे power n minus 2 b पे power 2 which is equal to 3375. Say this is equation number 3. Okay, so children, this is the equation number 1 2 3. We have to find out now we need to find the value of a, b and n in the extension of a plus b found n. Okay, by using equation 1 2 3 we have to find the value of a, b and n. So we divide the equation 1 by 2 first and in second case divide equation 3 by 2. So dividing equation second by 1. So this is n minus 1 b a पे power n equal to 7290 upon 7 to 9. So this is n b a equal to 10. n b a equal to 10. Say this is equation number 4. Equation number 4 and divide equation dividing equation 3 by second, then n minus 1 a n minus 2 b to power 2 by 2 upon n minus 1 b equal to 30375 divided by 7290. Okay, so n cancel out and 1 b is cancel and this is n minus 1 by 2 into a पे power माइनस प्लस a पे पावर n माइनस 1 एंड b इक्वल टू 3 0. दिस इज okay. So now simplify this, so we will get 25 by 3 and this is n minus 1 b by a. Okay, so this is written as n b by nb by a minus b by a equal to 2 into 25 by 3. Okay, nb upon a minus b upon a equal to 25 by 3. This is not 2. After simplification, also eliminate nb upon a minus b upon a equal to 25 by 3. This is 25 by 3. Now substituting the value of n by b, which is equal to 10. So this is 10 minus b upon a equal to 25 by 3. And b upon a equal to 10 minus 25 by 3, which is equal to, after simplification, 30 minus, so this is 5 by 3. Okay, so value of b upon a equal to 5 by 3. b upon a equal to 5 by 3. And now substituting this value b upon a in equation 4, so we will get n into the value of n is n into 5 by 3 equal to 10. So this is 5 to the 10 and n equal to 6. N equal to 6. The value of n we will find out over here, n equal to 6, and also find the value of b. So here, okay, value of now find the value of a. So this is a के power 6 equal to 729. Then a equal to 6 square root 729. Okay, 6 square root 729, which is equal to 3. A. Therefore, the value of a equal to 3. And to find the value of b, now using this equation, b by a equal to 5 by 3. So this is b into 3 equal to 5 by 3. B equal to 5. So here we have find out the value of a, b, and a is 3, b is 5, and n equal to 6. Okay, so children, this is the solution of question number 1 of miscellaneous exercise and chapter 8 of binomial theorem. Now move to the question number 2. Find a if the coefficient of x square and x to the power 3 in the expansion of 3 plus a to the power x 9 are equal. Okay, so first I will write its r plus 1 term means general term. So this is given by t r plus 1 equal to n 9 c r 3 पे power 9 minus r and ax पे power r. Okay, so this is ncr 3 पे पावर 9 माइनस r and a पे पावर r, x पे पावर r. Now we are comparing first the coefficient of x square. Okay, comparing the indices of x in x square and in er plus 1. So we will find r equal to 2. Okay, r equal to 2. So therefore the quotient of x square equal to, this is 9c2 3 पे पावर 9 minus 2 a पे पावर 2 which is equal to 9c2 3 पे पावर 7 a पे पावर 2. Okay, and simplify it. So this is factorial n upon factorial 2 and 9 minus 2 7 factorial 3 पे पावर 7 into a square. So this is 9 into 8 into 7 factorial by 2 into 7 factorial into 3 पे पावर 7 a square equal to okay. So this is 8 equal to 36 into 7 cancel out 3 पे पावर 7 a square and similarly the coefficient of x to the power 3, coefficient of x to the power 3 equal to 9c3 3 to the power 9 minus 3 a to the power 3. Now simplify, so this is factorial 9 factorial 3 into factorial 6 into 3 to the power 9 minus 3 which is equal to 6 a पे पावर 3 9 into 8 into 7 into this is factorial 6 by 3 into 2 into 6 factorial 3 पे पावर 6 a पे पावर 3. So this is cancel out 3 3 9 4 84 into 3 पे पावर 6 a पे पावर 3. This is say equation 1, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, now given find the coefficient x square in the expansion. Point a, the value of a. Okay, the coefficient are equal, so therefore the coefficient of x square and x upon 3 are equal. So this is 36 into 3 to the power 7 a square equal to 84 3 to the power 6 into a to the power 3. So 2a on both sides cancel out and this cancel out. So this is 36 into 3 equal to 84a and A equal to 36 into 3 by 84. So this is 3 2 is 6, 8, 36 by 28. And 2 under 2, 2 to the 4, 2 under 2, 8. 18 by 12. So this is 4. 2 4 is 8 and 2 9 is 18, 7, 9 by 7. Okay, so therefore the value of A we have find out, which is equal to 9 by 7. Okay, so therefore the value of A is the quotient of x square and x to the power 3, which are equal. Find A equal to 9 by 7. So this is the solution of question number 2 of miscellaneous exercise.